Welcome to day 5. Today is the last day of the momentum in motion. You've done it. I'm super proud of you. You're still swinging. I'm not going to let you stop. And today I'm going to teach you about one of my favorite and most important, what I think is one of the most important things to understand about effectively running your life. And that is the difference between doing the things that you feel like doing and doing the things that make you feel the way that you want to feel. Most of us follow this equation. Most of us in life do the things that we feel like doing. Well, unfortunately, as human beings, most of the time, we do not feel like doing things that are good for us. How often do you feel like going to exercise? How often do you feel like eating broccoli instead of milk duds? How often do you feel like getting enough rest? Or the list goes on and on, right? How often do you feel like doing something nice for somebody instead of making sure that you're doing something for yourself? Just a very predictable aspect of this life and of mortality is that most of the time, the things that we feel like doing are not things that are good for us. That is a very different equation than this. And this is the one, in fact, we'll change our color here. Life is very, very different when you do the things that make you feel the way that you want to feel. And this is an essential part of this 25-day detox and an essential part of getting positive momentum in your life. And hopefully, so now you've exercised for 4 days. You started with 10 minutes. And now today, your homework is to do 30 minutes of exercise. And this is not a really important thing to understand about this 25 days is that what we're doing is we're looking to transform your daily routine so that I can help you and we can help you integrate these essential variables into your life in a way that is sustainable. If you just do this for 25 days, and if you just do this exercise that we've done for 5 days and then stop, you're going to miss the point and you're going to miss the benefit. So today the exercise of your choice, I want you to pick 30 minutes to do. And what I want you doing, not only with this, but also with anything in your life, I want you to first ask yourself, okay, what is it? How do I want to feel? And then what are the things that I need to do in order to feel that way? Most of the time, you will already know the answer to that. If you don't know the answer, we can help you get the answer. But most of the time, we understand what we need to do in order to feel the way we want to feel. We just either don't. We either follow our feelings around instead, or we don't have the support that we need to continue to be successful. And so I really want you to understand this principle, and I want you to think about it a lot. As it relates to exercise, I hardly ever feel like exercising. You can ask anybody around here. Almost every day when I go, I don't want to go. And I typically say, ask me how badly I want to go, whatever. And the answer is almost always never. I exercise 6 days a week, and I'll bet that I want to exercise on average 1 of those days, maybe 2 of those days. But how often do I regret going? Almost never. Because when I go and I'm doing the things to create the feelings and the neurochemicals that I want, the neurotransmitters that I want, then I get the benefit and I'm glad that I went. Make sense? Okay. So the other thing that I want you to do as we transition tomorrow, we're transitioning into the second part of our challenge. The other thing that I want you to do today is I want you to go through and I want you to make a plan of how you're going to next week, the next 5 days, what are you going to do? When are you going to do it to get 30 minutes of exercise in a day?